Hi everyone, Yap here. So welcome to CloudFormation lesson 5. Right. So today we'll learn about mappings. Alright. So as you can see previously, we have created a resource, EC2 instance resource, and then for the mapping we will create a mapping section. Right. So I will create a region mapping, right? So we will specify a region map, and then we have a Singapore here, and then we will have Linux and Microsoft lah. This AMI is like previously I show you. You get it when you launch the EC2 instance, right? So this is the US East one, is North Virginia, and then I specify Linux and Microsoft as well. So you can see there's a bit different here. When you're creating the EC2 instance, the properties normally image ID. In previously I will just like specify the AMI ID here, right? So here we will use the mapping function. We use the function find in map. Okay, the region map is over here, the level 1. Okay, the level 2 I will put let's just put the AP sub is 1 first. Oh, sorry, AP sub is 1. Okay, and then the level 3 I will choose a Linux. So we will launch a Linux AMI at Singapore, right? So let's test with this. Okay, go to this, create stack. Okay, choose the mapping, next, let Friday, next. Okay, just next, submit. Right, so basically you will like create a Linux EC2 instance at Singapore region. Okay, follow this one, right? So it's quite a simple one. Let's see whether it's successfully created. Okay, I think EC2 is already there. Let's see EC2. I think it's still pending. Let's see. Okay, instance with mapping already created. So we successfully created an EC2 in the Singapore region, right? So you may be wondering, like this, I direct put the AMI ID easier ma. Why need to do this mapping? Okay, so now let's try. Let's say we put US is 1. So what do you think? If I launch this instance at the Singapore region, would it work or not? Okay, will it work or not? Okay, I give you 5 seconds to think before I launch this. Right? Okay, let's try. So let's create a stack. Let's see, already save. Okay, US is 1. So upload a template, choose file, this one, next, F5B. Okay, next, submit. Okay, we will not. Okay, fail. Why fail? AMI ID not found. Why? Okay, I give you 5 second thing. So basically you create field and roll back. Okay, why it will fail? Because the AMI ID is a zonal service. So while you are in the Singapore region, it cannot detect anything from a US East 1 AMI ID. So it will stick to the AMI ID in the Singapore zone only, right? So if you want to create this, you need to go to CloudFormation here. Okay, so you need to go to the North Virginia, and then you create the stack, and then you use this, choose this mapping. Okay, so let 5C, next, submit. So would it be successful using when you run the CloudFormation at the North Virginia? Yes. So resource initiation, go to EC2. So you can see the instance is pending, right? So that's it. But you may be still wondering, like this, I use like this AML ID I direct put lah, then I run in there also can mah. So why you want to use find in map? Alright, so if let's say your company is multi-region, right? So you want to use the same CloudFormation YAML file, so you can actually introduce the sudo parameter inside, right? If you still remember, you can direct grab the info for you without specify the parameter. So let's reference at the dash region. So this one, instead of we putting the region as well, we will put this, right? So you refer the region where you run the CloudFormation, right? So let us see. Let's say if I add here, I create a stack. Let us choose a different thing. Let's do the Linux mapping sudo, right? So let's see. So we use this one. That file, I forget already. So okay. Next, submit. So this one basically it will detect which region you are in and then create an instance over here. And then let's go to North Virginia as well. We go to CloudFormation. Then we use back the same template code and we create another resource. Next, let file sup, right? So let's submit. So I'm using the same one, but it will use the sudo parameter to grab the which region we are in and then create the instance, right? So you see this one, create complete. So by right we can see the EC2 instance. Okay, so we got the sudo EC2 instance. This one, let's see, still in progress. I think already there. Let's see the instance. So we have the sudo instance as well. So this basically I explained why we need to use mapping and together with the why we need to use the sudo in our previous lesson, right? So this is basically what the lesson I want to teach today, right? So remember this one, you need to clean up, really clean up. Go to CloudFormation in both region and clean up, right? Delete. Later you may forgot, right? Delete all the stack, right? Okay, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.